And just like that, we're in LA. I'll show you the view from the room. It's some view, I'll tell you that. Really impressed with the hotel as well, looks beautiful. But yeah, have a look at this view. Views. See what LA is all about then? So just walking down the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Taking it all in. So we've just finished off our lunch at Beachwood Cafe, which I definitely recommend, by the way. And here we are at the Hollywood sign. So we've took the Insdale Trail, which I'd suggest, you know, if you want to get a good view of the Hollywood sign, sort of do that. And we found using this trail gave some good photo opportunities. So we've sort of gone up to the Hollywood sign, we've finished with that, the walk up to there, and we're just thinking about what to do now. But we are thinking to sort of go Rodeo Drive, check out Beverly Hills and Sunset Strip. So we've just come to Beverly Hills. As you can see, it's turned into a beautiful day as well. So I'm just going to quickly talk about Beverly Hills. It is absolutely beautiful. Like you see in the movies and sort of and that, but it just to just be there is surreal, and it's definitely a place worth visiting. It's stunning. And then we walked back from Beverly Hills to West Hollywood, ended up doing like 40,000 steps, just over, but just checked out the hotel rooftop terrace, which is beautiful as you can see. Perfect first day. So we've just arrived at Santa Monica Pier. Let's see what today has in store.
Last of the year. Here we go. Let's make it happen. Ghost Jim, sir, where you from? Make some noise for the UK! Proper one, yeah? Proper one, how you doing? You like Santa Monica? 1 out of 10, what you think? A what, 9.9? You're nice. It's a 3 to me, all right. High five. From right here, sir. You 4, slide it in. Yeah, UK, Brazil, Taiwan, all right. You 4 take a step forward, right there in the middle of the mat. Where we say make some noise, y'all make some noise. Santa Monica, make some noise! Oh, bam!
So we're just on the way back now from Santa Monica Pier. Been a good day so far. And then we got to the famous Gold's Gym, and it's absolute madness to be there. It's like a pinch me moment. Absolute quality gym. Good session that, in Gold's Gym, Venice Beach. It's my first time here, but love it. Got every piece of equipment you could even think of. What a place. Absolutely loved that. It's a good vibe and just, like, so much equipment, just such a good gym. But that's it, gotta go and try and find some food, get some food now. Absolutely starving. Did all that, like a full body workout pretty much. Fasted, no food, so Let's go and see what we can find to eat. But absolutely loved that training session. There it is. I don't want to leave here. I don't want to walk away from the gym. Not Gold's gym anyway. It's just on a totally different level. So we've just gone and had some lunch. So we stopped off at a place called Venice Beach Bar and Kitchen, I believe it was called. Had like a burrito bowl. Perfect for after the gym. Anyway, just having a stroll now down Venice Beach. And do you know when like people just say about the energy and the vibes down here? They are true. But when you come down here, everyone just seems to be having a great time and just in a good mood and stuff. So yeah, let's see what goes down. Just about to walk into Universal Hollywood Studios. Already done like 60,000 steps in 2 days, so want to add another 20,000. But no, it's always a good day. Something like Universal Studios. It's always a good day. Let's go and get it.
What's up, guys? How you doing out there? Oh, you taking my picture already? I just woke up. Oh, I hope I look good right there. What's up?
Just having a quick duff beer in Moe's Tavern. Be rude not to. Just in the queue for Mario Kart ride in Nintendo World. 60-minute queue apparently, but apparently it's a really good ride, so should be well worth it. I'm on Team Mario. We really enjoyed our night at El Coyote. It's a really sort of interesting restaurant and quite a lot of celebrities have eaten here, I believe. So yeah, I'd recommend checking this one out if you're in LA. So on floor 2 of the Peterson Automotive Museum, you've got all like the movie cars. So like Back to the Future, Knight Rider, then you've got like cars that are Fast and Furious. Amazing. So we've come to Cheesecake Factory, which is inside the Grove. I've heard really good things, so it should be good. So I ended up ordering the spaghetti with meatballs. So nice. But now I've ordered a tiramisu cheesecake. When you're here in the Cheesecake Factory, you've got to order cheesecake. So I'm looking forward to that. Should be out any minute now. Just about to have my first In-N-Out burger, and I am excited. I hope it's good. So it is our last night in LA, unfortunately, but we are going to Vegas, which will be amazing. I'm gonna get a quick gym session during the morning, and then off to Vegas we go. So I went up to the gym, and it's actually a good gym in the hotel. Dumbbells, you know, like a chest press, shoulder press, few treadmills, spin bikes, and the view from the treadmill's pretty good. Have a look at that. So yeah, managed to get a gym session done. So just finished off a quick hotel gym session, about 40 minutes. Just did a bit of chest, a bit of shoulders, and finished off with a little bit of spin. It's not like I haven't done enough cardio though with all the walking. Just thought I'd get it in before we get to the airport. Let's go to Vegas. Let's have it.